Did you know the U.S. government is going to spend $1 trillion on healthcare? 1 trillion. That's 1 followed by 12 zeros. Hi, I'm Dr. Pat, creator and founder of BMI Health Institute. We have a plan which is much more effective and a hell of a lot cheaper. We spent years of developing this program, and we've developed these pills called Dr. Pat's Miracle Pills. We call it healthcare in a bottle. There are 7,000 pills in here. This is 1 month supply, and they're tasty. The cure for everything from aardvark syndrome, which is a very rare disease, to Z-phobia, and everything in between, from cancer to leprosy. There's only 2 things that does not affect. Sugar diabetes, because these pills are 100% sugar, and bullet wounds. And if you stay on those cowboy bars, you won't have that problem. Now, how do these pills work? Well, what they do is they stimulate the brain, so they cure disease and discomfort. But they only work if you are a true believer. You have to believe in these pills, otherwise they won't work. Now let me give you an example. Me and Bubbles went out last night. We had a few drinks, about 20 apiece. So right now I have a splitting headache. So what I'm going to do is take some of the magic pills. I got them in my hand right here. But before we start, you have to say, I believe in these pills. These pills will cure my headache. I know these pills will work. It's tasty. Push it down. Wow, my headache's gone. Unbelievable. Put your hand on the TV. Do you believe? Say amen, brothers and sisters. I used to be a TV preacher until I found my higher calling. Now there are some side effects. There are 2. 1, you're happy and well. And if you don't like that, you can go to hell. Well, hell. I used to be a poet too. Oh, by the way, if you take our pills for over a year, and as a true believer, you won't go to hell. A money-back guarantee on that one. Now, just don't take my word for it. We have satisfied customers. Here are some actual letters. Let me get my glasses on first. Oh, wait a minute. I don't need glasses because I took the pills that took care of my eyes. Okay, this is Tom. Tom says, I'm 85 years old, and I can't read it. His handwriting here. If you take these pills after a while, your handwriting improves also. All I had to look forward to is a prison of death. I'm living at Happy Dale Convalescent Home. After taking Dr. Magic pills for 2 months, I took my walker to the front door and ran out the front door, leaving my walker behind. God bless you, Dr. Pat. That's Tom in Peoria, Illinois. Okay, let's see what Dick in New York City has to say. I weighed 300 pounds, and for my height of 5'2", I think it was about time I lose some weight. That was a good idea. I started taking Dr. Pat's Miracle Pills and lost 35 pounds the first week. Good for you. But I ran out of my pills within 14 days. What will I do? That's a good question, Dick. So when next time you order, do a double order, and the second order is only half price, and we won't charge you for shipping and handling on that one. Now this is from Harry. Thank you, Dr. Pat. You are truly a great man. I had no money, homeless, and lost all will to live. But after taking Dr. Pat's Miracle Seminar, I'm now living in the biggest house in my hometown and found the woman of my dreams, 44 double D, whatever that means. After taking this seminar, I made $7,000 the very first month. I am now making $1 million each and every month. God bless you, Dr. Pat. That was Harry from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Now these aren't just for every Tom, Dick, or Harry. They're for Mary, Susie, Yolanda. They're for everybody. Unless, of course, you have sugar diabetes or have a bullet wound. Stay out of the cowboy bars or have that problem. How much is health care in a bottle worth to you? $10 a pill? That's what you pay in heart medicine. $5 a pill, cholesterol medicine. $1 a pill would be $7,000. That'd be worth it, but you won't have to pay that. Today's TV special offer, you can buy 7,000 pills for under $100. $99.99. $17.50 shipping. That's less than 2 cents a pill. But wait, there's more. If you act within the next 10 minutes, we're going to give you 2 bottles of super glue. Now regular super glue We have industrial strength super glue. Now, why would you use something like that? Well, let's take a scenario. Let's say you're driving down a country road. It's dark, it's late at night, and boom, you hit a pothole, and your bumper falls off. What are you going to do? Well, you get out, look at your damage, and as you're coming out, you hear wolves. And you don't know what's behind the bushes. Could be a rapist or a murderer. You call on your cell phone. You're out of range. You say, what am I going to do now? Then you remember, I have BMI super glue in the glove box. Take it out, pour it all over the bumper, pick the bumper up, hold it for just 5 seconds, and it's on like new. It probably saved your life from being eaten alive by a pack of wolves. Now you're going to ask, how can you do this? 2 reasons. One, we're humanitarians. We think of only you. And the second is we have our corporate office in Bermuda, so we pay no income tax at all. We pass the savings on to you. Now you're going to say, how can I get in like Carrie? Well, you call Bubbles or call Girl. She answers the phone. That's what I mean. Kind of a joke. Past life, never worry about it. And she'll set you up. We have the seminar tapes. We have the bottles that you put in and the labeling system. What you need to start with to get the pills is a telephone. Call us up. 1-900-GET-WELL, and a credit card. Oh, one other thing before I close. A lot of men have called me, a little embarrassed about erectile functions. The little Willie's not performing like he should. What do you take for it? You guessed it. Dr. Pat's Miracle Pills. Let me show you how this works. Reach in. Grab some pills, but before you take the pills, remember, I believe in Dr. Pat pills. I believe my little Willie will get big and strong and tall. I know these pills will work. Oh my. Oh my. Hold on. Bubbles, get over here quick. Yeah, and get that leather outfit you have on. Remember that one? And bring the handcuffs too. Hurry up. Okay. See you in a bit. Now you've seen the commercial that says, for erections over 4 hours, consult a doctor. I'm not consulting any doctor. I'm calling the Playboy Mansion and telling them I'm coming. Okay, remember, 1-900-GET-WELL. 1-900-GET-WELL. Hurry up, Bubbles, or I'm going to start without you. No crack a smile or anything, huh?